Good morning, students. Let's get started. The topic of our lesson is dragons and creatures. Now, let's turn to objectives. Learning objectives use conjunctions and, or, but, because to link words and phrases. Understand short supported narratives on an increasing range of general and some curricular topics. Today we will recognize some new words, write basic information about dragons and creatures. Well, look at these new words, buy new topic, repeat after me and write in your copybooks. New words. Dracorex, Dracarex, horns, muyuz dier, spikes, шыбықтар, teeth, тістер, deinonychus, deinonychus, claws, tırnaklar, tail, kuyruk, feathers, қауырсындар. Okay, people, open the book at page 28, exercise 25. Listen.
Dracorex was a dinosaur that looked a lot like a dragon. The name Dracorex means Dragon King. Dracorex was about 3 meters long. It had a big head with a long nose. There were horns and spikes on its head and body, and it looked very scary. Dracorex had very sharp teeth. Scientists think that Dracorex liked eating plants and just about anything else it found. What a strange creature! Deinonychus wasn't a big dinosaur, but it was very fast and very scary. Deinonychus means terrible claw. It had sharp claws and it liked fighting with other dinosaurs. Deinonychus was about 1 meter high and 3 meters long. It weighed around 80 kilos. It had a small head and a long tail. There were feathers all over its body, like a bird. Deinonychus enjoyed eating other dinosaurs, some much bigger than itself. What a scary creature!
These pictures, then label the pictures with the words in bold. Енді жаңа сөздерді суретке қарай отырып, бос орындарға қойыңдар.
Dinosaurs, dinosaurs, dinosaurs. Horns, horns, horns. Teeth, teeth, teeth. Spikes, spikes, spikes. Tail, tail, tail. Feathers, feathers, feathers. Claws, claws, claws. Dinosaurs, horns, spikes, teeth, claws, feathers, tail.
Open your people's book at page 28, exercise 26. Read and complete. Use and or but because. Берілген мысалға қарап, бос орынға тиісті сөздерді қойыңдар. Now let's check your right answers. Our lesson is over. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.